Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the purge valve, also known as canister valve, fuses relays, where you can expect to find the purge valve and canister valve fuses relays. We'll demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox here from year 2010 to year 2017. That's what it looks like, as you can see on some cars. Now guys, we will also talk about hidden fuse boxes. This is information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. For the purge valve and the canister valve, which fuses and relays we need to check them, guys, we'll show you on that generation Chevy Equinox. And quick advice from us to you guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram, a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. And what we need to do here, we need to open the hood facing the engine here on the right side. That's the driver's side right here. See, that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have a fuse box. Here you have one kind of like a clip with two tabs, one on this side. Squish them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, what we need to check here specifically, we're going to start by checking one fuse, but then we will talk about something else as well, something that you need to know. Please make sure to stay until the end, information that can save you a lot of money. Coming here in that row here, we need to first check, guys, fuse number 21, where that fuse is located, right here. This is, guys, the fuse that you will need to check. Now, the evap system mostly consists of the purge control valve, canister valve. So for any of you guys that want to see how to test purge valve, okay, it's very important to test it before you buy one. There is no need to replace it and waste your money unless you have to, guys. We'll have the video on our YouTube channel how to test purge control valve. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that step by step. You don't have any relays, you just have that fuse that's known as a relay fuse. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.